I'm from Sudan, and Sudan is one of the countries that's been on crisis for the past 50 years, maybe 60 years ago. I've been staying in Cardiff 10 years before I went back to Sudan. I went back for family reasons. Now the war has bring me back, and I want to stay and develop my skills and try also to help refugees. There's a lot of refugees here, and teaching and doing a lot of workshop. So before the war, I was just trying to help people how to speak English, how to develop their skills in English. I guess wherever you get a chance to develop your ability of learning and get new method of any kind of academic chance, you better, for me, I'd like to join it and take it. And definitely it will improve your skills, it will improve your chances for getting more jobs, it will improve your life, it will improve so many things on you. Learning, I think, is a heaven. It's something very beautiful for anybody. Staying in the same level, I don't think that's healthy. Staying in the same level of, I mean, if you are a university graduated, or if you are high, even very high degree for university, you need to pull up and learn more, because knowledge is building up every day. You know, it's never stop. I wanna get to the computer science. The computer is an ocean. You can never say, okay, it's enough here. No, you always have to go up and learning more. If it's a computer science or in IT, software, hardware, whatever you want, it's an ocean education. It's not only learning here, just like learning is a part of it. Being together with people you never met before, different kind of ages. You got young, you got old, you meet nice, lovely people, nice, lovely friends. Yeah, more opportunity to build up your life, and that's learning. Learning, it's a blessing, I guess. Yeah, yes.